Hello everyone, welcome back to Classroom to Boardroom series. Our today's topic is around how to answer how much salary do you expect. A job interview can be intimidating not only to freshers alone but also to the experienced individuals. But the best way to overcome the feeling is by preparing yourself for the HR interview questions. Among the commonly asked questions, one such common HR interview question is, how much salary do you expect? This question will be coming up throughout your career. But remember that with experience, your answers will also change to this question. So let's see how can you handle this question. Let's first understand why do interviewers ask how much salary do you expect? This basic question is asked by HRs for two reasons majorly. One, to see if the company can afford to hire you. Two, to check if you are aware of your self value and value for your work. I'm sharing few tips that can help you ace the HR interview question. How much salary do you expect? 1. Highlight your flexibility. Every company has a set of range of salary for particular designations based on the years of experience, qualifications, etc. So when you're preparing your answer, keep in mind to sound flexible. As a candidate, you would want to strike a balance between work experience and salary. 2. You could offer a range. When answering how much salary do you expect is to provide a range instead of a fixed number, as it will help you to remain flexible yet provide a clear answer about your expectation. For instance, my salary expectation is around 25 to 30k in hand. 3. You could flip or reverse the question. In case you feel clueless or not sure how to go about answering, you can always flip the question and let the recruiter answer how much they are willing to offer a fresher for your job profile. For instance, it would be helpful if you could share your estimate budget for this role. 4. Highlight your skills. You can highlight the skills you have picked up if you have prior work experience even as an intern. You can highlight your skills as a way to present yourself as the best candidate for the job role. 5. You might have to negotiate. As a candidate, you might feel shy from negotiating your salary as you don't want to risk losing the job offer. However, there might be several factors for you to consider that require a slightly higher amount than what is being offered. For instance, if you are relocating for the job offer and the cost of living in that city is expensive, you could highlight these points to negotiate a higher salary. I'm sure you found these tips useful. We would love to hear your experiences. This is Ashwini Dasgupta, your personal development NLP expert, signing off. Until I see you next, be you, be confident.